In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a job board that pulls listings from RSS feeds on WordPress. We'll start right inside WordPress.com. Open your dashboard and head to the Sites area. From there, look for the Plugins option in the sidebar. If you don't see plugins, you might be on a plan that doesn't allow them yet. Upgrade or switch to a site that supports plugins before continuing. In the plugin directory, use the search bar. Begin typing terms related to RSS job imports. This helps surface the right tools. What you're looking for is the listing that says, instantly populate your WP Job Manager database using RSS job feeds from the most popular job sites, or load XML/JSON files, premium only. That's the Go Fetch Jobs extension built for WP Job Manager. Click into the Go Fetch Jobs for WP Job Manager result to open its details page. Before installing any plugin, it's smart to vet it. On the plugin page, first open the description tab to understand what it does and how it integrates with WP Job Manager. Then check the installation tab to confirm prerequisites, minimum WordPress versions, and any companion plugins you'll need. Next, glance at the changelog to see how actively it's maintained and what's been fixed or added recently. Finally, skim the FAQs to pick up tips on feed formats, scheduling, and troubleshooting common issues. Spending a minute here often saves time later. Ready to proceed? Click. Get started. WordPress.com will guide you through creating or connecting a site with this plugin pre-selected. You'll land on a domain screen. If you want a new web address, use search domains to look for one that fits your brand. If you already own a domain elsewhere, choose the option labeled Already Have a Domain, and follow the prompt to use your existing domain. When the domain choice is set, continue through the flow by clicking Continue. After this, WordPress will wrap up the basic site provisioning. When you reach your dashboard again, you'll be able to activate and configure Go Fetch Jobs. A quick tip as you prepare: gather a few RSS feed URLs from the job boards you plan to source from, and review their terms of use to make sure aggregation is allowed. Also, since this plugin is built for WP Job Manager, double-check the installation notes to ensure that dependency is active so your imported listings have the right structure. That's it for getting your WordPress site ready to build a job board powered by RSS feeds. In the next phase, you'll add your feeds, map fields, and